Alright, so I may have done something a little questionable. You ever scroll online at 2 a.m. and see a gadget that looks way too good for the price? Yeah. That's how we ended up here. Because this thing, this tiny, suspiciously cheap 800 lumen flashlight kept popping up. 800 lumens, telescopic zoom, COB sidelight, Type-C charging, waterproof, and a magnetic tail, all for less than the price of a burger meal. There was no way I wasn't ordering it, so I did. And today, we're opening it together. Let's see what kind of chaos I bought. The box is, well, exactly what you expect from a budget legend. Light cardboard, simple print, nothing fancy. Honestly, it feels like the kind of packaging that hopes you won't judge the product by the outside. Inside though, okay, wait, there it is. The flashlight actually looks better than I expected. It's made of aluminum alloy mixed with ABS, so it has this weird combination of premium-ish and please don't drop me on concrete. And it's tiny. Like, absolutely pocket-friendly tiny. But it's heavier than it looks. You can feel that 3,500 milliamp hour battery hiding inside. We also get a Type-C cable. Just the cable. No fancy paperwork, no stickers, no thank you for your purchase, nothing. This flashlight knows you came for business, not feelings. Okay, let me break down the outside before I turn it on, because this thing is loaded. On the front, the main LED. It's rated at 10 watts and supposedly pushes 800 lumens with a 1,500 meter beam range. That's a big claim. Like, I can signal aliens, big. On the side, a COB light panel, warm mode, red alert mode, flashing mode. Basically a mini emergency lantern glued to the side. Then we have not one but two buttons, one for the front lamp, one for the COB, and yes, you can turn both on at the same time. Because if you're gonna blind yourself, you might as well commit. And on the back, look at this, a magnetic tail. The kind that latches onto metal like it's auditioning for a Marvel movie. Perfect for car repairs, camping setups, or pretending you're filming a gadget commercial. And finally, the telescopic zoom head. Pull it out, push it in, you get a spotlight or a wide flood beam. It actually feels satisfying, like clicking a pen when you're nervous. All right, moment of truth. Click holy. Okay, that's bright. I wasn't expecting it to actually be this bright. High mode, surprisingly powerful. Medium, very usable. Low, perfect for walking at night without waking up the neighborhood dogs. Then, boom, strobe mode. And after that, slow flash. This thing has more modes than my actual camera. Side COB, also impressive. Warm light looks comfortable. Not that cheap bluish disaster you get in knockoff lamps. And the red flash. Okay, if this thing doesn't get you rescued in the wild, nothing will. Real talk. Is it legit? For something this cheap? It's almost suspicious how many features they crammed in. A big battery, strong magnets, 9 different lighting modes, IP65 waterproofing, a beam you can literally stretch across the entire yard, and the best part, it's actually fun. Like, I didn't expect a flashlight to be fun, but here we are. Does it hit a real 1,500 meters? No flashlight at this price is turning into a laser cannon. But for camping, night walks, emergency outages, or keeping in your car, it's honestly shockingly good. I went in expecting a toy. I came out actually impressed. If you want a flashlight that looks simple on the outside but behaves like it's trying to compete with premium gear, this weird little budget monster might be worth the few bucks. And hey, if it breaks one day, it still gave me more entertainment than anything else in its price range. Let me know if you want a full torture test. Drop it, smash it, dunk it. I'll do it. For science, obviously.